How to fix secondary verification in Binance. So if you want to fix the secondary verification on Binance, then first you need to open up your Binance application. Make sure to install the application, and if you have not logged in, then make sure to log into your Binance. Go for the login page and then enter your email or your phone number, or you can simply continue with your Google account if you have used your Google to create your account. And once you've logged into your account, now you need to simply go for the profile, which is here on the upper left. Tap on your profile, and once you're here on the profile, you need to simply go for the settings, which is on the upper right. And then once you're here on the profile, you need to go for your profile name. Tap on your profile name, which is on the upper side. Once you're here on the profile, you need to simply go for security. Tap on security, which is on the second option, and it will take you to this kind of page where to fix the secondary verification, you need to simply tap on authenticate your app. Once you've chosen authenticate your app, now you need to simply tap on enable. So make sure that you have downloaded the authenticator application, and then tap on enable, which is on the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on enable, you will receive the verification code to the email address or to the authenticator app. And once you enter the code here, you need to tap on submit. And once you tap on submit, your secondary verification in Binance will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your secondary verification in Binance. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.